in loving memory of our dearest Nana. She will hold a special place in our hearts and minds forever. Nana was a light to everyone's lives. She was always so kind, sincere, and generous. She was gentle and wise, always equipped with an interesting anecdote for every occasion. She was a good listener and she always had sound advice that young and old alike always learned to appreciate. How wonderful her voice sounded each time she sang, how beautiful she looked during each gathering, how graciously she welcomed guests into her home. Nana was a beautiful soul who cast a ray of sunlight in each person's life. She loved unconditionally, gave tirelessly, and lived wonderfully. We invite you to join the rest of the family in celebrating Nana's life, that together we may look back on many wonderful memories shared with her. We shall treasure the memories forever. No one can fill your place in our hearts, Nana. Edit your grandmother's memorable photos by clipping Amazon. Visit our website www.clippingamazon.com.